just by placing your dough, and I can see that my cookie dough is going to go right around to the underside of my dough. So the easiest way to assemble this is to pick the melon pan and the cookie dough up in the cling film, and squeeze the cookie dough around the bun. So that's what it looks like at this point. We're going to keep the cling film. Then we're going to score the cookie dough. We don't want to go right through to the dough, we just want to leave some marks. So the scraper or a sharp knife will do this. I usually do 3 scores in each direction. So you can see the shape that starts to look a bit like a melon. Then I'm going to dip this into my granulated sugar. Icing sugar won't really work, it'll disappear. Caster sugar is also a bit too fine. Granulated sugar is perfect for this. And then we're going to start putting these onto a lined baking tray. And repeat.